welcome to our course. My name is Lan Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about clothing store. We're going to learn Chinese characters and words related to it. It will be very useful if you're living or traveling in China. And if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website, and we're going to upload hundreds of videos about daily Chinese. And if you have any suggestion about our course, just comment below. And let's start our course today. So first of all, we have to get familiar with these three characters, and we have learned this before. 服装. Both of these two characters have the meaning of clothes, and we put them together as words of clothing. 服装, 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 clothes. 服装, 服装, 服 second tone, 装 flat tone, and 店 which means store. First tone, 店, 服装店, 服装店. And then we have coat, 大衣, 大衣. 大 we have learned the opposite, which means big, and 衣 it has the same meaning as 服 and 装, which means coat or clothes. So 大衣 is a coat, which means a big cloth is a coat. 大 big, 衣 clothes, 大衣, 大衣. 大 first tone, 衣 flat tone, 大衣. And then jacket, 夹克, which is directly translated from English and use the phonetics of it, which is directly translated by the sounds of, which is directly translated from the sounds of English. Jacket, 夹克. 夹 second tone, 夹, 夹, 克 first tone, 克, 夹克, 夹克, 夹克. And then down jacket, 羽绒服, 羽绒服, 羽 third tone, 羽绒 which means down, and here 羽 means feather, 绒 means like fluff, fluffy, and 羽绒服 means down jacket. 羽绒服, 服 clothes, 羽绒服, 羽绒服, 羽绒服. And then sweater, 毛衣, 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 毛 second tone, 衣 flat tone. And then we have suit, 西装, 西装, 西 which means west, because this kind of clothes is imported from the west. We don't have it before. 西装, 西装, and 装 same as 服 which means clothes. 西装, 西装. And this one, 衬衫, 衬衫, 衬衫 means shirt. 衬 first tone, 衫, 衫 flat tone. And then we have sportswear. 运动服, 运动服, 运动 sports, doing sports. It can mean noun or a verb. And here, 服 means clothes. 运动服, 运动服, 运动服. And then t-shirt, which is also directly translated from the sound of the English. T 恤 shirt, 恤. I don't think it sounds like T 恤, T 恤, T 恤, T 恤. And then dress, 长裙, 长裙. We have learned 长 before, which means long, and 裙 which means dress or skirt. 长裙, 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 both second tone. And then 短裙, 短 which means short. 短 third tone, 短裙, 短裙, 短裙. 短裙 and then pants 裤子 remember 子 light tone 裤子 this character also have the meaning of pants and we use 裤子 and then jeans 牛仔裤牛靠仔 boy cowboy pants that's how it's called jeans 牛仔裤 and then ancient Chinese clothing 汉服 first tone 汉服 second tone 服汉服 and then 中山旗袍 both second tone 旗袍 read after me 旗袍 and then we have silk 丝绸 丝 flat tone 绸 second tone 丝绸 and then cotton 棉布 棉 second tone 布 fourth tone 棉布 and then we have leather 皮革 both of these two characters have the meaning of leather 皮革 and then underwear 内衣 内 means inside 衣 clothes 内衣 read after me 内衣 and then to choose 挑选 flat tone 挑选 third tone 选 both of these two characters have the meaning of choose so when you want to say to choose a clothes you can say 挑选衣服 or 挑衣服 or 选衣服 both okay 挑选选 and then to change size 换号 换 means change 换号 size 号 both first tone 换号 and then size 尺码 but when you read the words don't pronounce it as 尺码 because there's two third tone and you should pronounce the first one in second tone 尺码 So this is the course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words today. Hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. If you have any suggestions, just comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website. See you next course. Bye.